How do leaders tackle stress to improve their personal effectiveness? Here are some tips. Track your stressors. Keep a journal for a week to identify which situations create the most stress for you. How do you respond to them? Record your thoughts, feelings, and information about the environment, including the people and the circumstances involved. The physical setting where all the interaction was happening, how you reacted. Did you raise your voice? Did you get angry? Did you quickly go and get a snack from the canteen? Did you go for a walk? Now, taking these kinds of notes can help you find patterns among your stressors and your reactions and responses to them. True leaders develop healthy responses. Instead of attempting to fight stress with fast food or alcohol or any stimulant, do your best to make healthy choices when the tension rises. Exercise is a great stress buster. Yoga can be an excellent choice, but any form of physical exercise is beneficial. Leaders also make time for hobbies and favorite activities, whether it's reading, going to concerts, playing games, being with the family. Leaders make sure that they set aside time for things that bring pleasure. There is no guilt in pleasure. It goes hand in hand. Getting enough good quality sleep is also important for effective stress management. Building healthy sleep habits by limiting your caffeine intake late in the day or minimizing stimulating activities such as computer or television use at night. Leaders establish boundaries. In today's digital world, it's very easy to feel the pressure 24 hours a day. Establish some work-life boundaries for yourself. That might mean making a rule not to check an email from home in the evening, not to answer a phone during dinner. Although people have different preferences when it comes to how much they blend their work and home life, creating some clear boundaries between these realms can reduce the potential for work-life conflict and the stress that goes with it. True leaders take time to recharge. They take time to avoid the negative effects of chronic stress and burnout. We need time to replenish and return to our pre-stress level of functioning. This recovery process requires switching off from work by having periods of time when you are neither engaging in work-related activities nor thinking about work. That's why it's critical that you disconnect from time to time in a way that fits your needs and preferences. Don't ever let your vacation days go to waste. When possible, take time off to relax, unwind, so that you come back to work feeling really reinvigorated and ready to perform at your best. When you're not able to take time off, get a quick boost by turning off your smartphone or focusing your attention on non-work activities for a while. These are the tips from leaders. Leaders know how to relax. You have to learn how to relax. Techniques such as deep meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness, a state in which you actively observe your present experiences and thoughts without judging those thoughts. This can help you melt away the stress. Start by taking a few minutes each day to focus on a very simple activity like breathing, walking, enjoying a meal. The skill of being able to focus purposefully on a single activity without any distraction will get stronger and stronger with practice, and you will find that you can apply it to many different aspects of your life. Talk to your supervisor. Employee health has been linked to productivity at work. So your boss has an incentive to create a work environment that promotes employee well-being. Start by having an open conversation with your supervisor. The purpose of this isn't to lay out a list of complaints, but rather to come up with an effective plan for managing your stressors that you have identified so that you can perform at your best on the job. While some parts of the plan may be designed to help you improve your skills in areas such as time management, other elements might include identifying employer-sponsored wellness resources you can tap into, clarifying what's expected of you, getting necessary resources or support from your colleagues, enriching your job to include more challenging or more meaningful tasks, or making changes to your physical workplace to make it more comfortable and reduce stress and strain. Get some support. Accepting help from trusted friends and family members can really improve your ability to manage stress. Your employer may also have a stress management resources available through some kind of a program, including an online information, available counseling and referral to mental health professionals if needed. If you continue to feel overwhelmed by work stress, you may want to talk to a psychologist. There is no stigma, there is no taboo, who can help you better manage stress and change your unhealthy behavior. These are some of the tips to manage stress effectively